Hello, Mama!
Hello, Papaps! How are you?
Yes!
It's still the love month.
Yes! May hangover ka.
Wala naman. Kaya lang, may mga nakapanood ng mga videos natin in February. Ang sabi nila, hindi daw ako magaling na love advisor. Pero
Ako din. I think.
Ang bango mo ngayon
Ganon talaga.
Ano bango mo?
Secret!
Kasi, hindi ba sa kilikili yun? Pero tama-tama. Kasi ang topic natin today
is about fragrances.
Fragrances.
Yes. So, we will tell you how to use it best and what to choose and different kinds of fragrances as you can see. So don't go away, okay? Bye!
Okay, we're back!
Yes. And speaking of the love month, of course, one of the senses that allows you to get attracted to somebody are fragrances, di ba?
Sabi nga nila minsan, kahit na hindi ka gandahan o hindi ka gwapuhan, pero pag may dating yung amoy, nakaka-in-love, di ba? Totoo ba yun?
Huwag na kailangan yung secret. Baka kasi kailangan talaga yung secret. Okay. Yes, marami ibang klaseng amoy Okay, so what we're going to discuss right now are different kinds of scent and the best way for you to use them. Kasi they're not cheap, di ba?
They're not cheap. Pero meron mga cheap rin naman na nabibili. Pero syempre iba pa rin.
Pero sa tingin ko dyan sa mga perfume mo,
cheap lang yan.
These are the things na you don't crunch, cost.
Tinakaw ko lang sa tester lang lahat.
Ganon, tester, full bottle. Okay, so let's proceed para hindi kayo masyado mabore sa amin. Okay, so the first type of perfume, kasi ang perfume sa France siya basically, di ba yung
so doon nagsimula
country. Oo, siya yung known sa Grasse France.
Grasse France?
Yes, Grasse France. Yung Chanel No. 5, which is the most popular perfume for women. Okay?
Hanggang ngayon?
Oo, hanggang ngayon. Si Gabrielle, Chanel, pala siya, iba-ibang scent ang ginawa niya. Binilangan niya 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ang nakakatuwa sa kanya is she chose No. 5 as the lucky number. Tapos, it was launched on May 5. O, di ba? Ganon. Puro 555. Correct.
Parang sardinas. Bango rin naman yung 555 sardinas.
Okay, so, the first kind of perfume is Perfume Bomb.
Perfume Bomb. Bakit?
Bomb.
Ulitin nga natin sa mga mapaps and papaps. How do you pronounce it?
Perfume. Oo, perfume. Oo, kasi nga French Oo, perfume
parang
bomb.
ngayon ko na narinig yung bomb. Parang mas naging bomb.
The bomb is like, parang ganito na nasa bomb siya. And nagva-vary kasi yung perfume depende sa number of percent ng aromatic compound. Yung nagbibigay ng smell or scent.
So mas mataas ang percent, mas malakas.
Correct. Mas matagal, it will last longer. Kaya nga, pamahal din siya.
Oh no!
Diba? Which you do not like.
So yun nga.
Yes. Ang bomb is basically para siyang, as in bomb, and then you just place it on the ears, yung parang gano'n. So, ang maganda lang sa kanya, discreet kasi siya, but it only has 1 to 3%.
Okay. So, pag nilagay mo yan, you're gonna be the bomb.
I like that, Okay, now the second kind is Eau de Cologne.
Eau de Cologne.
Yes. Ano naman yung Eau de Cologne mo? Eau de Cologne is, it has 3 to 5% aromatic combination naman. Mas mataas. Oo.
Itong Issey Miyake.
Oo, yan.
Eau de Cologne.
And then the third one is Eau de Toilette.
Oh!
Oh.
Ooh! How do you pronounce?
Eau de Toilette.
Oh,
diba? Yes. And eau means water or toilet water.
So, paano yung mabanging toilet water?
Actually, the best translation for that is grooming water. No, di ba?
So
water from the toilet. Kasi eau is water. There is from. And then toilet is toilet. So, water from the toilet. But anyway, Eau de Toilette has an aromatic combination of 5 to 15%. Kaya medyo a little bit more
Ito.
expensive na siya. So, ano yung Eau de Toilette mo?
Sample
Oh,
ng Eau de Toilette.
Yes.
This one.
Yes. Pareho tayo. My favorite kasi ever is Dolce and Gabbana. Ito yung talaga. Wala nang iba.
Ayan yung light blue. Oh,
Yes. Siya lang yung perfume ko. So, yan yun. Eau de Toilette. And then, the fourth one is Eau de Parfum.
Eau de Parfum.
Oh, yan. Yan medyo, ito, yan. In light blue na, yan, the parfum. Now, sa the parfum naman is between 10 to 20% ang aromatic combination niya.
So, ito yung pinakamarami.
Hindi. Ang pinakamarami is yung pinakahuli, which is the most expensive, is parfum. Parfum wala na. Kasi, more expensive na siya. Talagang oil na siya. It's around between 20 to 40% na aromatic combination.
So, kung nagtitipid ka, doon ka musmo sa Eau de Balm.
Oo. Yung balm, hindi. Parfum balm. Yun.
Okay.
So, parfum balm, Eau de Cologne, Eau de Toilette, Eau de Parfum, and then parfum.
Parfum.
Oh, yan. So, now we will discuss kung paano naman siya to last longer. So, normally, saan mo ba siya nilalagay? Ikaw, where do you apply your perfume?
Secret.
Usually, saan?
Normally, dito.
Okay,
sa leeg.
dyan. Okay.
Dito.
Sa wrist.
Sa wrist.
Sa chest.
Saan mo dapat?
Okay. Now, the best way to apply perfume are on the pulse points na
What
tinatawag
is
nila.
the pulse point?
Pulse points is yun. Tama yun sa behind the ears.
May pulse kasi
dito. Tapos dito sa yung neck. And then sa wrist, pero yung wrist medyo nasa baba ng konti. Kasi when you wash your hands, ang tendency is mawawash off mo siya. So a little bit lower. Kung saan kinukuha yung pulso mo. Yes. And then, another one is behind the knees. Yan para sa mga babae yan.
Behind the knees?
Yes.
Bakit kailangan
Kasi halimbawa, ikaw yung girlish na naka-mini skirt o kaya naka-shorts, yung mga ganon. Pag nakaupo ka, nag-weave yun eh. Kasi warmest area siya.
Sister, pamay nga ng tuhod mo.
Yes. So, those are the pulse points. Diba?
Kasi may pintig na ganyan.
Yes. Now, the second thing that you have to remember is for your perfume to last longer, try to avoid it, placing it indirect sun. Kasi mag-evaporate siya, tas it will spoil the aromatic compound.
So, dapat hindi nakatapat sa araw.
Correct. Kailangan, room temperature.
Okay.
Hindi rin siya maganda na nilalagay sa fridge.
Really?
Oo, i-destroy mo.
So,
i-destroy mo yung aromatic niya. So, talagang room temperature lang siya.
So, huwag nilalagay sa ref. Kasi baka mamaya.
Not too extreme temperature.
Pati yung mga pagkain yung babango na rin.
Hindi, tsaka it's too expensive to waste your good perfume, di ba?
Okay kung salami mo, ang bango.
Okay. Now, another thing is that in terms of perfume, you don't combine a lot of scents. Kaya yung mga French, they, ang tendency nila, mapapansin nyo, meron silang shower gel, meron silang, yung the same scent siya, para hindi siya nagpa-fight. Kasi halimbawa,
complementary sila.
Correct. Kasi kapag halimbawa, nag-body wash ka na ibang scent, tapos meron ka shampoo mo, ibang scent. So, ang nangyayari, nagpa-fight yung scents niya.
So, maximize na yung amoy.
It's mas maganda kung talagang one scent. Kaya sila, minsan, nagbibenta sila ng mga ganito, di ba? Yung mga complete set. Yan.
So, yung deodorant mo, kapareho ng pabango.
Yes. No. Normally kasi, according sa mga French people, kasi masyado silang parang sa wine din, sa cheese, sa perfume, ganyan sila. Oo, connoisseur ng mga perfume. Okay. They actually don't use perfume every day because they want to maximize yung smell. So talagang, kasi di ba may tendency yung nag-a-adjust yung nasasanay ka sa smell.
Some
Yes, and then to the point na you don't appreciate anymore the smell.
So, parang basura, no?
Correct. Correct. So, you get to adjust. So, sila, they don't use it often. And then sometimes, di ba nga, when you try to test a perfume, you use, yung coffee. Iba yung coffee beans para ma-neutralize tapos maka-amoy ka.
Kaya pala yung nakikita ko sa mga duty free, may kape doon. Hindi ko alam kung bakit may kape. Coffee beans.
Tapos, another thing is that merong way talaga on how to apply it. Now, basically, when you choose your perfume, it's really about body chemistry.
So, how do you know your body chemistry?
You really have to test it diba? Kaya nga ako, I just stick with the light blue talaga.
So kung ano yung bagay sa'yo, sa skin mo.
Pagka hindi ba, sa'yo, ano bang favorite? Ako kasi talaga, light blue ako, 10 years na.
Ang newfound fragrance ko na na-discover is itong clean. So, yung clean. Yun yung pinakagusto ko.
Okay. Kasi anong favorite scent mo ba? Di ba kasi may flowery, may citrus, may parang woody,
ganun. Sa akin, kasi since total pag-uusapan naman natin yung fragrance, sa klima kasi natin, because we're a tropical climate.
Okay.
So, I think, personally, opinion ko lang, mas bagay sa akin yung citrusy and woody na fragrance. So, this one is citrusy and woody.
Same thing with me. At saka kasi ako, I don't like flowery smell. Ayoko yung mga sampagita, ayoko.
Amoy sunflower. Amoy sunflower ka na.
Anyway, so,
Kampupot.
to wrap it up, there is a special way of applying perfume.
Ay, okay.
Diba? So, apply ko yung perfume ko, apply ko sa'yo. Hindi. May certain, para hindi...
Kala ko ba dito?
Yes. Just make sure when you apply your perfume, do not rub it kasi it destroys the compound. Hindi, yung perfume. Kasi may mga perfume nag-create ka ng friction, nasisira mo yung chemical compound ng perfume.
Siguro, talaga?
Yes. So, kasi nga, nasa warm area ka na So, let it, para siyang wine din in a sense na katulad ng sabi nila, like Chanel No. 5 after kasi marami siyang a mixture of scents na yung iba after 4 hours daw it smells like jasmine, which is different when you first apply it. So ganon, nag-change siya. So you do not want to destroy. Do not rub. And then the best advice that we can give na actually nung dati kala ko ek lang. O kunin mo perfume mo ako dyan, tapos perfume lang kita. Asa yung favorite mo? Ayan. So when you apply the fragrance, it has to be
explain mo
has to be you should be 20 to 30 centimeters away, and then you allow the mist.
Sasaluhin mo.
Yes, because
sampulan kita.
Sige.
Ito,
kasi actually, naghihinayang ako doon, pero ganun daw yun. So, iangat mo ng kwad. Sige. Okay, 2, 3. Ang nalalayo naman.
Parang engot lang
sige. Ayan. Okay. Pag ganyan. Ayan. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Yo! Okay. Ayan. Okay, so, but that is the best way you catch the mist of the perfume kasi yun yung mas maa-appreciate nung pag nag-fall yung mist sa'yo, yung kanyang
seryoso
chemical.
Ba yan?
Yes! Seryoso yun! Okay. Akala ko rin yung dati joke. Pero yun yung kaya nga yung iba, di ba, nag-i-step in, i-spray nilang ganun, tapos nag-i-step in sila. O kaya, you spray like that. Now, if you're doing perfume at saka bag, of course, pinapahid mo kasi hindi naman siya ini-spray. Pinapahid siyang gano'n. Okay, so, ayan mga mamas and papas, we hope you enjoyed our short discussion on fragrances. Ayan. Okay, so please always give us comments below.
Thumbs up.
Okay, thumbs up. And then if you like us and you subscribe, hit the notification bell.
Ice cream taste.
Yes. And please don't forget to put down on the comments what is your favorite perfume.
Yeah.
Yan.
Give us some tips
Yeah,
also.
yes. Baka naman we can change our scent later on. Di ba?
May secret. May kilikili.
Yes. Okay, sige mga mamas. Bye-bye.
Bye!